Hi, in this screencast we're going to show you a new visualization technique that we have introduced in the Docspresso dashboard. As you can see, here we have a kind of like a graph of all the interconnections between different users and groups within Docspresso. When you move your mouse over a node, the direct relationships are highlighted, and whenever you click, for example here in the group, you get the info about that group and the activity that can be filtered by a period. You may also click on a user and check the activity of that particular user. You may reorder the graph to highlight the interrelationships that may be of your particular interest. Like you can see with this visualization, you can have a nice overview of the activity of the different groups and users in Docspresso.